I don't remember the first time I ever discovered I was a Leo, but I do remember at a super early age in school, everyone being like, when's your birthday? When were you born? What are you?
You were born literally at midday, so the sun's right at the top of your chart. So you're in the spotlight.
But everybody used to gas me up, like my family would be like, she's gonna be a star. So I just believed it from young.
Jupiter rising, big belief.
I'm a believer.
So your big three, you're a Leo, but you're Scorpio rising and Scorpio moons.
Leo, big hair, bright, light, summer sun, that vibe, you know, just very fresh and loud and proud. And then a Scorpio is more like mysterious and dark and like sensual and like, ooh. Since I was a teenager, I've loved liquid eyeliner. It's pretty much the only thing I can do perfectly every time. On the nail varnishes, we went for colours that kind of represent the star signs.
Leo, sun, gold, all the sparkle. And this one, I mean, to me, this is Pisces. It's the mermaid, isn't it?
Yeah, shimmery.
When I looked at your chart before we did this, I was like, I think she's gonna be a Bond girl.
No, you read that. That is literally what I've been flinging out into the universe this whole time. Yeah, but we say it. I'm like, if I put it out there, then someone might see it one day.
I got it.
You did. You
I
received
picked it up.
Yeah, there you go.